Attorney Charlene Usher with ULG Law APC, where we handle estate planning, probate, and trust administration. Today I'm going to talk about a hot topic. Why should you care about estate planning? Well, I have a couple of things that may come to mind when you think about why you should care. And one of them is unintended heirs. Sometimes when we don't document our wishes as to who should become our beneficiaries, people who we did not intend to be heirs are included. That's because in California, the law decides who your heirs are if you don't decide who's going to receive from your estate. So it could be a sibling who you don't have a good relationship with. It could be a spouse who you're separated from but still married to. It could be a parent who is a deadbeat, was never involved in your life, or you no longer have a relationship with, but they're still legally related to you. So those are some examples of unintended heirs. Another unintended heir can be law firms and attorneys. Why is that? Because sometimes, depending on the value of the estate, the probate statutory fees, which are defined in the probate code, can be more than the amount that each of your heirs, your family members, will actually receive, because these statutory fees are based strictly on the value of the estate. And so in many cases, the fees can exceed what each of those heirs are going to have to share. So that's one thing. Another reason why you might want to care about estate planning is maybe you don't want your business out in the street. Maybe you don't want people to know where your bank accounts were, how much you had in them, or where you held title to real property, or who your family members are, what their addresses are. Well, guess what? In a probate matter, all that information is public record, and many people would like to keep that private. Another reason you might care about estate planning is you want to avoid conflict in your family. No ambiguity as to what you wanted to have happen, because when you document your wishes in a proper estate plan, there's no question about what you wanted to have done. So the fights and the battles tend to be less, and they also can tend to leave more money in the estate to be distributed to the people you chose. Thank you for listening.